Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, October 5th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. Couple things. I'm leaving early today, around 2:15, so missed the last close to 2 hours of the trading day. And then I'll do the afternoon video when I get back. I might be back actually by 4, but we'll see. So that'll be later. Second thing, and I find this amazing for myself, today is 16 years since I walked off the trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange. October 5th, 2007. Seems like a lifetime ago. It's amazing, 16 years after spending 25 years there. So I just think it's fascinating how things have changed in the marketplace in that time. Speaking of the marketplace, we had inside days yesterday in both ES and NQ. We went out with price probes, price spikes. We basically spiked above G's high. Even though we didn't hold the single prints, we spiked. Now, NQ did hold the single prints. So you can use these two levels for bulls to hold on to. The price probe above L's high, and even G's high for us as the price spike. They'd be important to hold for a number of reasons. If you hold them, right, the most positive response is to open above them. Right now we're trading in them all overnight. Look at that. All overnight we've been up here. Same with NQ. So that'd be the most positive response. That's number one. Number two, you'd be opening with higher value. Number three, the odds get better to maybe take out finally yesterday's high, to officially be in balance and to come out of an inside day to the upside. And if we do that, you go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. To me, lack of would be not only coming back inside the day's range, but if we get 10 points lower and get acceptance below G's high. Any failure above G's high, we're going to go trade at that 9-wide point of control from yesterday. So bulls really need to defend those levels on both ES and NQ. Righty, on the other hand, they did go out with a price probe, but it was a small one. Right now, it's not. I would not use ace high as a very visual point for them. The only thing they had yesterday was their afternoon pullback, as they were only 8 wide. So game plan for this morning, again, depending on where the overnight high is, we talk about this all the time if you want to front run it. I mean, there's 75 minutes to go. If the overnight high is right here, it's a decent risk reward short because you're certainly out right above M's high. If the overnight high gets above yesterday's high, then it's something you have to decide if you want to take that short, because if we open and get above yesterday's high, it's an inside day up. So that would be a decision you have to make as far as front running. As far as a long, if we open right in here, again, you could say you take a long against G's high, but I would be very careful if we got acceptance below yesterday's value high. Again, those are two early plays to start the day. If we gap higher in the next 75 minutes and we get the overnight high right away, I would certainly be looking for longs on pullbacks to see if the inside day up would hold. And then on the chart, so again, here's the daily. We didn't technically stop the one-time framing down, so it's 3 days in a row because you didn't take out a previous day's high. But if we take out yesterday's high, initially we come into a 3-day balance. It depends how much we go up, right? We're just forming the balance this morning. So if we went up $5, then we start encompassing all this, okay? The next real big stop, I think, is that other balance low, which is 430. I'm rounding it out, 430. And then, of course, last week's high of 432.27. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.